That sounds exciting. I'm sure many people are looking forward to the release of the AirPods Max 2 in 2024. It's great to hear that the new version will have enhanced features and be more affordable. It sounds like you're interested in the latest information about Apple's cutting-edge audio innovation. There have been a lot of rumors and leaks floating around about the release date and pricing, so it's an exciting time for Apple fans. Have you heard any particularly interesting rumors or details that you'd like to discuss? The AirPods Max, introduced in late 2020, is on the cusp of its third anniversary. A remarkable product in its own right, it mirrored many features of the first-generation AirPods Pro, distinguishing itself with its overhead earphone design. As we eagerly await the AirPods Max 2, the anticipation centers around the evolution of this iconic device. Mark Gurman from Bloomsburg has hinted at a more budget-friendly AirPods Max 2, promising a reduction in price compared to its predecessor. While a new design might not be on the horizon, sources suggest an expanded color palette for users to choose from. The current hefty price tag of $550 for the AirPods Max may see a significant reduction, potentially making it a more accessible option for consumers. Speculation arises as to whether the AirPods Max 2 will be unveiled in early 2024, aligning with Apple's historical release pattern of new AirPods every 2 to 3 years. However, potential delays may occur considering the need for a USB-C port in the new models, a feature likely to be shared with the upcoming AirPods 4. A quick note on leaks. While leaks can provide valuable insights, they are not infallible. Past Apple products have seen both accurate leaks and misinterpretations. As we navigate the anticipation leading up to the AirPods Max 2 release, it's crucial to approach leaks with a discerning eye. Now let's shift our focus to the specifications of the AirPods Max 2. As per the leaks and rumors, the design is expected to remain consistent with its predecessor, while audio technology will receive an upgrade, featuring improved active noise cancellation akin to the AirPods Pro. The familiar features of transparency mode, adaptive EQ, conversation boost, and spatial audio are anticipated to make a return. Connectivity-wise, the inclusion of ultra-wideband (UWB) with the U1 chip, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C charging port sets the AirPods Max 2 on the cutting edge. Enhanced user experience is further emphasized with left and right ear recognition, allowing users to wear them in any orientation. Excitingly, the AirPods Max 2 is rumored to receive an IPX4 rating, making them resistant to splashes and rain. The addition of new colors, including space gray, silver, pink, green, blue, product red, and purple, adds a touch of personalization to the user experience. In terms of battery life, the AirPods Max 2 is rumored to offer 8 hours of listening time, with the wireless case extending that to an impressive 24 hours. As for the price, a speculated reduction to around $449 could make the AirPods Max 2 a more compelling option. I'm excited about the AirPods Max 2. I hope they come with improved noise cancellation and longer battery life. It would also be great if they could introduce some new colors. Can't wait to see what Apple has in store for us. What features are you hoping to see? And do you agree with the potential price adjustment? Engage in the discussion and stay tuned for more updates on the latest in tech. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the future of audio technology. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay informed on the latest Apple news, reviews, and comparisons, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. I'll make sure to stay updated. Thank you and see you later.